Imagine Apple working secretly on the most radical smartphone in history, only to pull the plug right before its launch. That is the exact story making waves across the tech world regarding the upcoming 20th anniversary iPhone. Rumors suggest Apple was building a device designed to change the mobile industry forever. We are talking about a completely seamless glass body, non-existent screen borders, and a price tag soaring past $2,000. Yet, reports suddenly claimed the entire project died behind closed doors. Then, just as fans began processing the loss, one of the most accurate tech insiders stepped in to claim the project is still very much alive. To understand why this specific phone matters, we have to look back at history. The year 2027 marks exactly 20 years since Steve Jobs revealed the first iPhone in 2007. That original device transformed modern computing, and the two-decade mark gives Apple a massive reason to celebrate. Insiders reveal that Apple planned something far bigger than a basic annual upgrade. Instead of a faster processor or minor camera tweaking, the company targeted an absolute overhaul of the physical hardware. This would represent the biggest visual leap since the bezel-less iPhone X debuted back in 2017. The design concepts for this anniversary edition sound like genuine science fiction. Leaks indicate Apple envisioned a chassis crafted entirely out of glass. Rather than a standard metal frame, the entire outer shell would wrap the device in a unified glass enclosure. Patent filings show Apple has explored all-glass housing structures since at least 2019. Beyond the glass casing, the display was engineered to push screen real estate to the maximum. Engineers aimed for screen sizes stretching up to nearly 7 inches by shrinking the outer borders down to almost nothing. The biggest visual shift involves erasing the display cutouts completely. Current models rely on a visible cutout for front-facing sensors and cameras. The anniversary model was planned with fully hidden components buried beneath the display glass. This meant no notch, no floating island, and no visible camera holes interrupting your screen view. Achieving that level of manufacturing perfection comes at an extreme financial cost. Financial analysts calculated that a phone with these groundbreaking materials could easily hit a starting price above $2,000, making it the most premium consumer phone Apple has ever attempted. Trouble started when financial analyst Edison Lee issued a startling report to investors. According to information gathered from Asia-based manufacturing lines, the all-glass iPhone project hit a major wall. Production yield rates were reportedly far too low to justify continuing. In manufacturing terms, a low yield rate means the factory produces too many defective or cracked units during assembly. Building a 6-sided glass casing without creating structural weaknesses proved brutally difficult. When yield rates drop, the cost to build a single working unit skyrockets, making mass production nearly impossible. This negative report triggered immediate waves through Wall Street. Investment firms downgraded their outlook on Apple stock, citing missed product timelines and rising production expenses. The report highlighted broader economic pressures hitting the mobile market. Global memory chip prices are climbing rapidly because chipmakers are pivoting their factories toward hardware for artificial intelligence servers. High memory costs squeeze manufacturer profit margins across the board. An ultra-expensive luxury iPhone would have given Apple a way to absorb higher component costs, but losing that flagship model leaves the business exposed to rising expenses. Just as panic began spreading among tech enthusiasts, prominent Bloomberg journalist Mark Gurman offered a direct update. Known for having direct sources inside Apple headquarters, Gurman flatly contradicted the cancellation claims. His reporting indicates that while production challenges certainly exist, the project itself remains active inside Apple's development labs. This creates a striking clash between supply chain rumors and internal company reports. Supply chain vendors only see individual parts being ordered or canceled, which can easily be misconstrued as a killed project when Apple simply changes suppliers or revises manufacturing strategies. The actual truth likely sits right in the middle of these two competing narratives. Hiding complex facial recognition hardware under an active display panel remains one of the hardest engineering problems in consumer tech. Projectors must shoot thousands of infrared dots directly through glass layers without losing accuracy, while infrared sensors must read those reflections clearly. If engineers cannot perfect under-display sensor transmission by 2027, Apple may simply adjust its hardware roadmap. They could delay specific features to later generations, while still releasing a redesigned anniversary flagship. Apple's recent software choices hint heavily at this upcoming hardware shift. The latest user interface updates heavily emphasize a design aesthetic centered around depth, transparency, and layered glass effects. Software design and hardware engineering usually move in total sync at Apple. The visual language inside the operating system reflects the physical materials planned for future devices. Whether this full-glass phone lands precisely on its 20th birthday or arrives a bit later, Apple is clearly building toward a glass-centric future. Despite the engineering roadblocks, Apple's ultimate vision for a completely seamless device remains clear. Creating a single block of glass that acts as a fully functional computing device requires overcoming massive manufacturing hurdles, but history shows that Apple rarely abandons high-profile concepts easily. Instead of killing the project outright, engineers inside Apple's industrial design labs are likely testing alternative materials and manufacturing techniques to bring the initial vision to life without suffering high failure rates on assembly lines. One alternative path involves adjusting the release timeline across multiple hardware generations, rather than launching every single breakthrough technology at once. Apple has frequently used phased hardware rollouts to reduce manufacturing risks while keeping consumers engaged. For instance, the company could deliver the ultra-thin bezel design and specialized glass casing in 2027 while keeping a refined camera cutout, only introducing true under-display facial recognition sensors in a subsequent iteration once component yields stabilize. The financial logic behind pushing for a $2,000 luxury device remains compelling for Apple's long-term business strategy. As consumers retain their smartphones for longer periods, overall global smartphone shipping volumes have naturally plateaued. To drive continued revenue growth, major device makers rely on increasing the average selling price of their top-tier flagships. A revolutionary anniversary model allows Apple to establish an entirely new ultra-premium tier above its existing Pro Max lineup, capturing higher profit margins from tech enthusiasts willing to pay top dollar for cutting-edge engineering. Beyond hardware revenue, a massive physical redesign serves as a vital marketing catalyst for the entire Apple ecosystem. Major visual changes drive upgrade cycles far more effectively than incremental speed boosts or slight camera improvements. When Apple introduced the radical screen redesign on the iPhone X, it triggered a massive wave of trade-ins from users holding older hardware. A completely transparent or glass-wrapped form factor would create a similar level of global attention, revitalizing consumer excitement across worldwide retail markets. Component suppliers across Asia are constantly competing to secure exclusive manufacturing contracts for Apple's high-margin parts. When reports emerge that a project is cancelled, it often reflects a specific supplier losing their contract due to quality control failures, rather than Apple giving up on the product itself. If one specialized glass maker fails to achieve acceptable yield rates, Apple routinely shifts development contracts to alternative supply chain partners who possess more advanced equipment or superior manufacturing processes. The technical puzzle of under-display optical sensors is also benefiting from rapid advances in surrounding industries. Displays require specialized sub-pixel arrangements that turn completely transparent on command, allowing infrared light to pass freely to the sensors hidden beneath the glass. As display manufacturers refine OLED and micro-LED technologies for other industries, the baseline cost for these complex panel structures continues to fall, bringing the dream of a completely unbroken phone screen closer to reality every month. Rising component prices, particularly for high-speed RAM and flash storage, are forcing hardware manufacturers to rethink product design strategies. As artificial intelligence infrastructure consumes huge quantities of silicon wafers globally, mobile phone brands must justify higher retail prices by offering undeniable physical innovations. An all-glass device with an invisible camera array provides the exact kind of high-end consumer value required to justify a premium price point in a tight economic environment. Looking closely at Apple's software direction provides further evidence that a major physical shift is underway. Operating system updates have increasingly adopted glowing translucency, dynamic lighting effects, and multi-layered depth that mimic the physical properties of heavy glass. Apple historically aligns its software visual language with upcoming hardware materials years in advance, ensuring that the digital interface feels entirely natural when operating inside a physical chassis built for matching materials. While analysts debate supply chain rumors and insider leaks, Apple maintains absolute control over its official product roadmap. The company is notorious for maintaining parallel development teams working on competing designs simultaneously, allowing leadership to pivot hardware choices right up until final mass production begins. If the ambitious six-sided glass chassis encounters insurmountable production issues, an equally striking backup design is undoubtedly waiting in the wings to mark the two-decade milestone. Ultimately, the 20th anniversary of the iPhone represents far more than just another hardware cycle for Apple. It stands as a symbol of 20 years of mobile dominance and a chance to set the technological tone for the next decade of personal computing. Whether the final device features an all-glass body, an invisible sensor suite, or a totally new structural approach, Apple will undoubtedly deliver a flagship meant to dominate headlines and push the boundaries of modern smartphone engineering.